Welcome to another Seneca Maintenance Minute. Today we're going to talk all about this little beauty here. This is our fuel air control unit. Here in the maintenance department we call it a fuel injection servo. Same thing, different name. You'll notice on the end here we have a butterfly valve. As the butterfly opens or closes, it lets more air through. In the closed position, that's your idle position. Your engine doesn't get much air, so it doesn't run very fast. As we open it up to wide open throttle, we get maximum power with maximum air. On the other end of it, if we hold it up to the light, you'll notice that it has a venturi shape. It gets narrower. Because of that venturi shape, it creates a low pressure zone right here in the middle that these four pickups will pick up and will measure how much air is going through based on how low the pressure gets. On the other side, I've got my mixture lever. You can't see anything moving with that. All the stuff is interior. Seneca Maintenance Minute, Fuel Servo Part 2. So as we said in Part 1, there's a venturi here that is creating a low pressure area, and these four little pickups are measuring or sensing that low pressure or vacuum, and they're transferring it over to this little chamber on the side that has a red seal on that side and a red seal on the other, sealing up this chamber except for to these pickups. So as these pickups create suction, we're going to try and collapse this little chamber. Okay, this is going to be super simplified. There's a lot more going on inside your fuel air control unit, but just to make it simple to understand, this and this side are the two red seals that I showed you on the unit before. Here's my line going up to the four little tubes that were inside the venturi, and here I have my metering pin that is kind of blocking my fuel. Right now there's very little air passing through, which means there's very little suction being created. This thing is holding its normal shape. My pin is only allowing a small amount of fuel to go through with a small amount of air. As we increase the suction up here, we move more air through, we increase the suction. We're going to collapse this little chamber. That's going to draw my pin backwards, and you'll notice that as it draws the pin back, it's going to allow more fuel to go through. More air, more vacuum, more collapsing, more fuel going to the engine. The only last little bit is how the mixture works. So if you picture this little joint here as being the mixture, if you are full lean, it's going to make this longer and push into that, blocking off more of the fuel. If you go full rich, it will get shorter and it will draw it a little bit out of the fuel flow, allowing slightly more fuel. So this is kind of your fine metering, where the big air chamber is doing your dramatic movements.